Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the stages of combustion in SI engine, spark ignition engine. So you can see there are three stages of this combustion process. First is the ignition leg A to B, ignition leg A to B. Okay, so this is first stage. And second stage is the flame propagation from point B to C, and third is the after burning C onward. Okay, so these are three stages of this combustion process. First, ignition leg, stage second, flame propagation, and third, after burning. Okay, so you can see in this figure, so actually the piston is moving from BDC to TDC. Okay, BDC to TDC in this direction. Okay, so piston is moving BDC to TDC. Okay, and crank is rotating. So this is actually crank angle and this is pressure variation. So pressure is increasing 0 to 10, 20, 30, okay, in bars. Okay, so it is in vertical direction, and the variation of crank angle is along the horizontal direction. Okay, so when this piston is moving from BDC to TDC, then the crank angle is changing from 0 to 180 degree. Okay, so here you can see the both valves, inlet and exhaust valves, are closed and piston is moving from BDC to TDC. It means the volume is decreasing. Okay, if volume is decreasing means pressure is increasing. Clear? So this process is called the compression process. So in this process, air fuel mixture is compressed during this compression process. Okay, so here you can see this is point A, and this is called the point of sparking. So at this point we provide the sparking from the spark plug. Okay, so this sparking will initiate the combustion of fuel. Okay, so this will take some time, and this is actually called A to B ignition leg. Okay, so we are providing sparking at point A, and the combustion is starting at point B. Okay, so this is called ignition leg. Okay, and further the flame will propagate from B to C. From B to C. So this is called the flame propagation. So this flame is propagating towards the unburnt mixture. Okay, unburnt air fuel mixture to complete the combustion of fuel. And point C is the point at which the pressure is maximum. So here this point should be after TDC. So this is actually TDC line, this one. Okay, so this point should be always at TDC or after TDC. It should not be before TDC. If this peak pressure is before TDC, it means it will provide the back thrust to the piston, and this back thrust to the piston will damage the piston, connecting rod, crank and crankshaft. Okay, so point C is the point of peak pressure, and it should be after TDC or at TDC, and C onward is called the after burning. So here you can see the sparking normally occurs at point A, approximately 30 to 35 degree before this TDC. Okay, before TDC, and this is occurring at point A before 30 to 35 degree. It means the peak pressure is obtained 5 to 10 degree after 5 to 10 degree after the TDC. Okay, this angle. Okay, so at the crushing speed. So you can see this point A is 30 to 35 degree before this TDC, and this point C is after 5 to 10 degree TDC. Okay, so here you can see theoretically the combustion should be completed at point C, and maximum pressure will be at this point C, but actually combustion will be continue after this point C. Okay, so during this expansion stroke, so actually this is expansion stroke, okay, is known as after burning. Okay, so it may occur due to two types of fuel. Okay, either rich mixture or lean mixture, and this is about 10% of heat may be liberated during this process. Okay, so this is called after burning. Okay, and you can see in this figure from point B to this onward. So actually at point A, sparking is provided to the air fuel mixture. Okay, and A to B is ignition lag. During this process the combustion will be initiated. Okay, if combustion is not initiated, okay, if combustion of fuel is not initiated, it means it will be misfiring of the fuel. Okay, so this fuel will be exhausted from the exhaust valve without providing the power. So this process will be missed. Okay, so there will be no flame propagation and after burning if it is misfiring of the fuel. Okay, so this is called the motering. So thanks for watching this video. All the best.